Hello friends, here I am going to explain you bifocal admission process. Let's see. So for bifocal admission process, students who have confirmed their admission in round 1, round 2, round 3, in-house quota, minority quota are eligible. So bifocal merit list will be published in college login when the special round admissions going to happen. Once again I am repeating, bifocal merit list will be published in college login at the time of special round admission happen. Those students who have confirmed their admission and applied for bifocal before special round will be considered in the merit list. College will prepare the list and do the admission as per merit and the rules. How to apply for bifocal? You have to log in, then you have to enter your credential, login ID, password, captcha. Those students who have admitted in their login, this link is available. Apply for bifocal admission. Once again I am repeating, the students who have admitted in the college in round 1, round 2, round 3, in that login they will get this link, apply for bifocal admission. Then you will get screen like, have you taken technical subject and the subjects available in that college, bifocal subject. You have to select that subject and you have to click on apply for bifocal admission. Then you have to confirm the selected option. So this is the overall process for bifocal admissions. Those who have confirmed admission in round 1, round 2, round 3, then minority quota and minority quota and in-house quota, they are eligible. Thank you very much for watching this channel. Subscribe this channel for more admission related alert. Thank you.